Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio GMD-S5600. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first we need to be in the timekeeping mode, and to do that, just press the mode button several times until you hear the high-pitched beeping sound. This one. Okay. And then next you can start to adjust the time and date by pressing the adjust button on the top left. This one, the recessed button. So don't worry if it is recessed, it is designed this way. So yeah, just press using your nail. And yes, we can see that the second is flashing. Now, if you want to reset or make 0 for the second, you can just press this start stop button at the top right. If the second is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, like this one. Okay, but if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay, next we can press the mode button to move to the next item, and that is the hour. You can increase the number of the hour by pressing the start stop button on the top right, like this. Okay, and then next you can press the mode button again to move to the minute, and you can use the start stop button to increase the number. Okay, next press again the mode button, and now is the year. You can change or you can increase the number by pressing the start stop button. Anyway, if the number is already passing the year that you are right now, for example, now is 2024, but this is already 25, we can just press and hold this button on the top right, okay, until it shows 2099, and it will restart again or return to 2000. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 2000. So yeah, press again and set until 2024. Okay, next press again the mode button, and we are moving to this one, the month. If you want to increase or to change the number more, then just press the start stop button here. So February, March, and so on. Okay, and again press the mode button, and we can set the date. Just press this one, the start stop button on the top right of the watch, and if you press again, it will return to the setting of the second. Anyway, you can also change the time format by pressing the light button on the bottom right, this one. So this is 23 on the 24-hour format, or 11 p.m, whichever is suitable for your preference. Okay, let me set just as military time, 24 hours format. Okay, and then after that, if you already set the time correctly and also the date, and you want to exit from this adjust mode, just press the adjust button on the top left, and done. You have set the time and also the calendar and also the time format on your watch GMD-S5600. And that's all for this simple video. I will also make a more detailed one, so don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.